Launch CRP429C is an evolutionary smart diagnostic tool for passenger vehicles with 5-inch touchscreen, 4,000 mAh built-in battery, touchscreen and keyboard combination featuring powerful special functions and providing precise test results. When you connect the Launch CRP429C to the vehicle and enter the Diagnose menu, you can easily raise the vehicle identification number by one click. Then a diagnostic report will be automatically generated and can be shared to an email. With a single touch, the Launch CRP429C runs all available system scan and reports back system DTC for code information. You can find even more for code details online. With the built-in DTC code search lookup function, the Launch CRP429C can be used to perform common 11 maintenance and reset functions, including oil lamp reset, brake pad reset, TPMS reset, battery matching, injector programming, throttle adaptation, DPF reset, gear learning, steering angle reset, ABS braking bleeding, and immobilizer matching. Except 10 for OBD-II modes, red and clear for the codes. Launch CRP429C can also scan major systems, including engine system, transmission, anti-lock braking system, SRS, EPS, OBD-II, air conditioning system, etc. The Launch CRP429C supports reading all live data. Combined live data can be graphed and analyzed. In addition, its powerful record function can let you review live data anytime. The Launch CRP429C is Android-based. It supports one-click update. Lifetime updates is preferred choice for DIY users, basic mechanic, as well as auto repair shop.